All right, so here we have our lettuce, our romaine lettuce that I'm growing. It sprouted from the last time that we filmed. Um, some of them don't look too well, but we've got at least 2 out of 4 that's going to survive. Here I've got 2 more tomato plants that I'm growing. They're babies right now still, and we've got some zucchini right here growing. A zucchini plant, it's taking off. And then back over here, those last 3 or 4, that's summer squash growing. You can see the yellow flowers on them. As soon as they bloom, they'll get pollinated and they'll start producing squash. This pot plant here with the dead looking flowers, this is yellow Yukon potatoes. Once the flowering dies off, they're going to be ready to be pulled out of the dirt. So we'll probably do a video on that as well. These are carrots right here growing in this pot. I need to transplant them. I'm just waiting a little bit longer until the roots set in. Over here we have our Roma tomatoes growing. I'm about to pick some now. So you want to pick them when they start blushing. And then over here we've got, we'll pick some now. And then as they start turning red, that's when you want to start picking them. Let them finish ripening inside the house. Over here we have yellow Yukon potatoes growing. Again, they're flowering, they're budding. I've got more growing here I just planted, so we're kind of growing them in cycles. So I'll have like a bag from that batch, and then this will be the next batch, and then this will be the next batch. So 3 batches of potatoes, yellow potatoes. Over here we have peas growing. These are peas. This really took off. I just planted these from seed, and after we received a bunch of rain lately, and they have just really taken off from here. Over here we have cucumber plants growing. They're growing. I think the last time we did a video on them, they were still babies in a pot. I went ahead and replanted them. They're already vining out now, so they'll be producing soon. Over here we have serrano peppers growing. Last time I showed you, these were little babies. These have really taken off. All these smaller ones here, those are all serrano peppers. So it's good to plant quite a few of them because not all of them are going to make it. Here we have cilantro growing. They're babies right now. They just sprouted, so we'll see how that goes on those. I've never grown cilantro.
From seed?
From seed. So, but that's our garden.